Hello बच्चों, let's say a given question. The question says at room temperature, that is 27 degrees Celsius, the resistance of a heating element is 50 ohm. The temperature coefficient of material is 2.4 10 raised to minus 4 per degree Celsius. The temperature of the element when the resistance is 62 ohm is dash degree Celsius. So इस question का जो key concept यहाँ पे we need to understand is the concept of temperature dependence of resistance. Temperature dependence of resistance. So we know कि जो change in resistance होता है, it is directly proportional to change in temperature, and change in resistance is also directly proportional to the initial resistance. ठीक है, तो इनको जब हम क्लब कर देंगे टुगेदर तो dr will be equal to alpha r naught dt, where alpha is the temperature coefficient of material. ठीक है, अब इसी एक्सप्रेशन को हम प्रॉपर लिमिट के साथ अगर इंटीग्रेट करके लिखें, so we can write RT, that is resistance at some T temperature minus initial resistance R naught, and that will be equal to alpha R naught T final minus T initial. ठीक है, so this is what the expression that we need to keep in mind. अब T initial की जगह हम उसको T naught भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, so now we can see हमें चाहिए the temperature of the element when the resistance is 62 ohm. ठीक, तो हम यहाँ से वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. RT हमें 62 गिवन है, इनिशियली इट वाज द टेम्परेचर 50, and that will be equal to alpha हमें given है 2.4 10 raised to minus 4, R naught हमें again 50 given है, TF हमें find करना है. इनिशियल की बात करें तो it is 27 degree Celsius, right? So we can substitute the value as हमें डिग्री सेल्सियस में चाहिए तो हम इसको 27 ही रखेंगे ऐसे ही. ठीक है, तो इसको जब हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो इट विल बी 12 इंटू 10 रेज टू 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 24 इंटू 5, दैट इज 120, राइट. 24 इंटू 50 करेंगे, 2.4 इंटू 50 करेंगे तो it will be 24 into 5, 24 into 5 will be 120, and that will be equal to plus of 27 भी कर देते हैं यहाँ पे, and that will be the final temperature. and इसको जब हम simplify करेंगे, so this value comes out to be, ये value को solve करने पे we can say this comes out to be 1000 plus this, so it will become 1027 degrees Celsius. So this is what the answer for the question we are getting. I hope you understood the solution. All the best.